not funny, Tyler.
It's funny.
It's not funny.
Yes, Mama told me to do
I have to be. I'm gonna try a coronavirus. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I come all the way around the back to try and start this vlog because baby's around there and I'm trying to prank him. Every time I'm to prank babe, it's not an easy task. That's why we don't do much pranks, because he's so smart and the way we communicate, it's not easy to do pranks. But I pulled off a few and I'm gonna try to pull off this one. So today's video, I'm gonna try and get Tyler in on it. I am going to try and prank babe and tell him that one of the kids broke the TV. I've seen this prank been going around for a while, so I'm gonna pull up a crack screen from YouTube and tell babe that Tyler or Sarah cracked the TV screen because they're always standing there and banging on the TV stand. So he's in the toilet right now. So let's see if I can pull this off. I'm gonna try to get Tyler in on it. So let's see how good this can be. So let's go.
It's not funny, Tyler.
It's funny.
It's not funny.
Yes, Mama told me to do that. It's a prank.
That was a good one. You did it well now. You did it well. You did. I give it.
Because the kids always knocking on the TV stand, so I know it would get you. Ta-da!
You did it
So,
well.
Tara, what you crying for?
I'm not mad at you.
Yeah, but you know it's not true.
I
So
just-
why you crying? I've been telling you
I
before.
just tell you it's not funny.
What you have to say? What you have to say for yourself about the pranks this morning? What you have to say about Siri means smile. What you have to say about the prank this morning?
Sorry
Sorry for what?
for crying.
What? You don't have to say sorry for crying.
Yes, I need to say sorry for crying.
Why are you saying sorry for crying? Why were you crying?
Because Papa was mad at me and he thought that it was only me who make that.
But I didn't say it was you. I said it was Sarah.
Yes, it was just a trick that it was Mama.
So if it was a trick, why were you crying?
It's just because Papa was mad at me.
So no more pranks for you, right? Right?
Just a last prank for the Avril. A last prank.
One more prank for April.
Yeah.
What do you mean? What do you mean one more prank for April?
That's me.
Come here! What do you mean?
That means first I want to tell you something.
We talking about the prank. What do you mean one more prank for April?
That means I last prank when it's April.
It's April now.
Yes, but
No more prank for you. Mama gonna do all the pranks by herself. Because you are very sensitive. You're too emotional.
but I'm not going to cry that
Yes.
time.
I don't know when you are going to cry. I can't breathe.
Cry.
No more pranks for you, right? Was that a good prank this morning? Did Mama catch Papa good this morning?
Yes.
But Mama was mean for saying Sarah brought the TV, right?
Yes.
But it was just a joke. It was just for fun.
Yes.
Alright, Sarah will never forgive me when she grew up and see this. Anyway, what you have to say for yourself? Say more pranks. Mama must prank Papa more.
No.
Mama not to prank Papa? Mama not to prank. Why Mama not to prank Papa?
If you want.
If I want, I can prank him.
Yeah.
Alright, but I'm gonna do it alone without you, okay?
But I'm not going to cry, I say.
Right now you're about to cry.
No, I'm not.
You're not.
See?
You're not gonna cry.
Yes,
No, Mama
I'm
gonna do the pranks by herself, okay?
But the
Pranks are for adults. Pranks are for adults. No. No,
Just
no.
one time.
Just one more?
Yes.
Alright, you and I will do one more, but you won't cry, right?
Yes.
Alright, I promise I'm gonna do one more prank with you. Just one.
Okay.
Alright? Alright, say team Mama.
Team Mama.
More pranks.
Didi.
Wait, what you say? What did you just say? What did I make you do? What did I make you do?
Hurt me.
Tell me. You finished using the toilet? Was that a good one? Tell me it was a good one.
That was a good one. That was a good
You almost have a heart attack.
No, but she's a baby, so I will
Oh
be...
gosh, I feel bad for Lion Sarah. Babe, watch your Sarah and be at that moment. Sarah, if Sarah was older, she would have get her matty slap in the night in the morning, yeah. Papa kissing you up now. Say, Mama, you're wrong.
You tell me it's a prank at the good moment.
Why?
5 seconds after I was going for the remote to turn off the TV and to see, so 5 minutes.
Say, honey, that's a good one. Honey,
That's a good one. That's a good one. You improved. You improved. You didn't even make me look if it was a camera or no camera.
And Tyler cried. I didn't expect Tyler to start crying. But anyway, guys, hopefully you guys like that video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And I'll see you guys in my next prank.